In this video, we'll demonstrate how to reset your DNS settings on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to reset DNS settings on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the tutorial steps. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings. Select Network, and then Settings. Choose Set up Internet Connection based on your connection type, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Press Options on your current connection and go to Advanced Settings. If your DNS settings are set to manual, switch them to Automatic. Confirm the change by selecting OK. This should revert the DNS settings to their default values. If the above steps don't resolve your issue, select your internet connection, press Options, then Forget. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the Networks Found list. Enter the password and confirm. If you're still facing network issues, go to Settings, then System, followed by System Software. Navigate to Reset Options and select Restore Default Settings. Enter the default code 000 to initiate the restoration process. Note that this action will reset all system settings, including network configurations. You'll need to sign back in with your email address and password. Remember, resetting default settings erases customized configurations. Ensure you've backed up any important data before proceeding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Your support motivates us to create additional tutorials. For more tech-related guidance, visit mediamagnet.business.